Now the second measurement the Aluminess sales team needs is the distance from the back of the fan to the center of the nearest factory mounting point. Now remember, you are measuring from the mounting point that is in this recessed position. You will not provide a distance measurement to the body line here or this point here. You want to make sure that it's to one of these recessed mounting points. And so an easy way to do this is simply grabbing a straight edge, lining it up with the back of the fan, and make sure your fan is closed. And then you can simply grab a tape measure and tell us how many inches there are from the nearest factory mounting point to the back of the closed fan. And we see here it's about 4 inches. And so on your diagram, you're going to include the length and width of the fan and the distance from the center of the nearest factory mounting point to the back of where the fan sits. And we can see that this customer provided the correct measurements because this roof rack went right over the max fan. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 619-449-9930, or you can send us an email to info@aluminess.com.